Welcome to a journey back in time, to the land of the pharaohs, where wealth and prosperity thrived amidst the shifting sands of the desert. The wealth strategies of ancient Egypt were rooted in a combination of practicality, spirituality, and a deep understanding of resource management. While the world has evolved dramatically since their time, these strategies can still offer valuable insights for those looking to accumulate wealth today. At the heart of the ancient Egyptian wealth strategy lay a profound respect for agriculture. The fertile soil of the Nile Valley provided the foundation for their prosperity, allowing them to cultivate abundant crops such as wheat, barley, and flax. The annual flooding of the Nile, which deposited nutrient-rich silt, facilitated bountiful harvests. For modern wealth seekers, this underscores the importance of investing in assets that provide stable and consistent returns, much like the fertile Nile Valley. Trade and commerce were another key element of the Egyptian wealth strategy. Positioned at the crossroads of Africa and Asia, Egypt was a bustling hub for international trade. Valuable resources such as gold, silver, precious stones, and exotic spices flowed through their markets, enriching both the state and its citizens. The modern lesson here is the importance of diversifying income sources and engaging in trade or investments that can provide access to global markets. The Egyptians' collaborative approach to wealth creation is also worth noting. They often pooled resources to undertake large-scale infrastructure projects, like the construction of monumental temples and pyramids. These communal efforts provided employment opportunities, fostered economic growth, and elevated the standard of living. Today, partnering with others and leveraging collective resources can be a powerful way to pursue joint ventures and investments for mutual benefit. One of the most iconic symbols of Egyptian wealth is, undoubtedly, the pyramids. While these colossal structures served as tombs for pharaohs, they were also powerful symbols of national wealth and unity. The construction of the pyramids required an immense workforce and meticulous planning. It showcased the Egyptians' ability to mobilize resources efficiently and achieve remarkable feats of engineering through collaboration. In modern terms, this underscores the potential of teamwork and strategic partnerships in wealth-building endeavors. The Egyptians' reverence for the afterlife played a significant role in their wealth strategy. They believed that the journey into the afterlife required material possessions and wealth, leading to the creation of elaborate burial chambers filled with treasures. While this might seem extravagant, it underscores the belief that wealth could transcend mortality and ensure a comfortable existence in the afterlife. This perspective encourages a long-term view of wealth accumulation and legacy planning, principles that resonate with modern investors and financial planners. The pursuit of knowledge was another aspect of the Egyptian wealth strategy. Scribes, who were highly educated individuals, played a crucial role in recording and managing economic transactions. The ability to read, write, and perform complex calculations was highly prized and could open doors to lucrative careers. In today's context, education and knowledge remain powerful tools for personal and financial advancement. The Egyptians' holistic approach to wealth also encompassed ethical considerations. They believed in the concept of Ma'at, representing truth, justice, and balance. Wealth, in the Egyptian worldview, was not an end in itself but a means to uphold Ma'at. It was considered one's duty to acquire wealth through honest and fair means, use it responsibly, and give back to the community. This ethical approach to wealth accumulation emphasizes the importance of financial integrity and responsible stewardship in modern wealth building. In addition to their ethical approach, the Egyptians valued self-reliance and resourcefulness. They were skilled in various crafts and industries, which allowed them to create valuable products and services. Today, fostering skills and entrepreneurship can be a powerful means of generating wealth and income streams. The ancient Egyptians' focus on legacy and generational wealth is a timeless principle. They aimed to pass down their wealth and knowledge to future generations. This perspective encourages modern wealth seekers to consider the long-term impact of their financial decisions, including estate planning and wealth transfer strategies. While the world has changed significantly since the time of the pharaohs, the wealth strategies of ancient Egypt remain a source of inspiration. Their ability to harness the power of agriculture, trade, collaboration, long-term thinking, ethics, and legacy planning offers valuable insights for those on their own journey to financial prosperity. The wisdom of the ancient Egyptians reminds us that true wealth is not solely measured in riches, but in the balance between material prosperity and the well-being of our communities and future generations. By embracing these timeless principles, individuals can embark on a path to accumulate wealth that aligns with the values of sustainability, integrity, and the greater good. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of ancient Egypt's wealth secrets. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth building adventures. Until next time.